So, hello everyone. For today's video is gagawin natin yung OS C10. So, here is the instruction. Yan, marami. Isa-isahin natin gagawin yan. So, let's proceed. So, here is the OS C10 group policy. Here is the step-by-step instruction. So, syempre, as always naman, una nating step is to open your VirtualBox Manager, and then open mo yung Windows Server 2008. Pagka-open mo dyan, click mo tong Start, and then Administrative Tools, and then pupunta ka sa Server Manager. Pagkapunta mo sa Server Manager, click mo tong Features, may lalabas naman dyan, and then click mo yung group policy, and under that merong forest, ito yung domain etoks2a.com, and then under that meron ditong domain, site group, and meron pa ba. So under sa domain, click mo yan, nalabas dito yung domain, and then click mo itong create a GPO in this domain and link it here. So create mo yan. Pagka-create mo, gagawa ka ng GPO for BSIT and Administrator. So, BSIT and Administrator. Pag okay mo, ito, makikita mo na dito yung ginawa mo, which is yung BSIT and Administrator. Then, open mo sila. Pagka-open mo, di-delete mo yung user na nakalagay dito. Delete mo post GPO. So, pagka-delete mo, mag-i-insert ka naman. Mag-add ka. So, for BSIT ng GPO, i-add mo dito yung user. Kahit sinong user na gusto mo. So, akin si Joey, ang example ko. And then, for administrator, mag-add ka ng administrator. Yan. And then, after that, i-click mo yung specific GPO na gusto mong edit. So, kung gusto mong edit yung administrator, click mo lang right click and then edit. For BSIT naman, right click and edit. Ganun lang. So, kunwari, click mo. Bali yung step dito, dalawang set siya for BSIT and admin. Pero, same lang yung step from step 10, step 11, hanggang step 11, 12, 13, 14. Same ng step, pero ang pinagkaiba lang nila is for step 11, yung sa student is enable and sa admin is disable naman. So, yun nga. Pag napunta ka na dito, punta ka sa settings. Pagkapunta mo, ay click mo tong policies, and under sa administrator, click mo din yung all settings. Then, dito mo mahanap yung mga requirements na need mong i-enable or disable. So, select the following and double click and enable for student and disable for administrator. So, hanapin mo itong remove links and access to Windows and update. Pag nahanap mo yan, right click, double click, and then enable kapag nasa student na GPO ka. Pag sa admin naman, disable. So, same lang hahanapin mo. So, remove network connection from start menu, remove help menu from start menu, remove run menu from start menu, remove pictures icon from start menu, and then remove music icon from start menu, remove network icon from start menu, and log off to the start menu. Remove task manager, prohibit access to properties of LAN connection, prevent access to the command prompt, prevent access to registry, editing tools, and lastly is prohibit access to control panel. So, pag na-enable mo na sila or na-disable mo na sila, magpo-proceed ka na dito sa start, and then isi-search mo yung gpedit.msc. So, pag search mo, click mo lang yan, open mo, and then mapupunta ka dito. So, sa user configuration, na click mo yung policies. So, Sa loob ng policies, i-click mo yung Windows setting. Pagka-click mo ng Windows setting, i-click mo yung Internet Explorer. And then, under that, meron ditong browser user. So, dito ka magka-customize ng title bar. So, sa akin nilagay ko is etok S2A. So, after mo magawa yan, okay mo lang yan. And then, you can now view your domain in the Internet Explorer. So, it's successful. So, that's it for the OS C10 group policy. Thank you for watching.